In this video, we're going to see how to use Excel to produce a bar chart or a pie chart. Let's say I surveyed a number of students about their favorite fruit, and the answers are presented in this frequency table. First of all, you notice that the frequencies are not in order, so it is possible to arrange them if I want to. It's possible to select the whole table and then go to File, to Home, and then there's a sort filter. You can decide to sort your data from A to Z, or you do a custom sort. If you want to sort by, you're going to tell it which column you're going to use to sort by. First of all, we want to indicate that the data has headers because we chose everything. So we can sort by frequency because it knows that this is a frequency and we're here, so it arranged them in increasing order. Let's say we undo that, and if I select just the table and I want to sort, I choose custom sort, and then if I want to sort by, I don't have headers, column B or column C, I want to sort by column C from the smallest to the largest, or I can change the order from the largest to the smallest, and here we go. So this is our data. We can arrange it if we want to. If we want to see how many people were involved in this survey, I can simply choose an empty cell, whichever cell that is, and then there is a sign of sigma, which is the sum. It automatically selects the data, but I can choose which cells to add up. And if you see, it says sum of the contents of the cell C5, which is this cell, to C11. And by pressing enter, you know that I have surveyed 120 people. To draw a bar chart, simply choose your table without the headers and then go to Insert. Here you have all sorts of charts that you want, but if you choose this bar chart, well, Excel calls them column charts, and if they're horizontal, it calls them bar charts. So it doesn't really matter which one you choose, they're all exactly, they convey the same idea. Let's say we want to choose a 2D bar chart. Simply click, and there you have it. And the data is arranged in the same order as they are in the table. You can double click on the chart title and call it favorite fruit. And also you can change the way it looks. There are several options. By choosing the different color, you can do a different color if you wish. And also with this plus sign, you can add or remove features. So you can remove the axes or you can add them. And if you choose, you can remove only one and keep the other. The axis titles, you can add them, and that will give you a chance to say frequency. And here you simply add fruit. Again, you can insert a legend, which is, let's say this was amongst the boys, so you would say the boys, and if you have another series for the girls or whatever. So you can explore this as you go into more detail. Note that in this option we have the frequencies typed into the columns, so you don't have to worry about reading off the axis. So that's as far as bar chart is concerned, let's see how we can construct a pie chart. It's the same idea. You select the table, you go to insert, and here you have your pie charts. Let's choose a simple pie chart, and then this data in the table is represented in this pie chart. Note that the area of each of the sectors is proportional to the frequency. So the total area of the circle is, let's say, 120 units. Then the area for melons, which is this one, represents 32 over 120 parts of the area of the circle. The options that you have are the data labels. If you put data labels, you get the numbers in. And you have various options as well. For example, here it changes the frequencies into percentages. And now that we have percentages, then this central angle for the sector of the representing the melons, this angle here is 32.27% of the 360. That's how you get the area of this sector to be 32.27% of the area of the circle. And you can have this, for example, and you can play around with the color and so on. So this is a quick introduction to how to produce a bar chart or a pie chart.